Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check public and private IP on your Mac operating system. So you just need to follow me. So first I will show you on the CLI mode, means command line mode. For that you just need to go to your launchpad and after that type over there terminal. Okay, so just type terminal and you will find this terminal over there and just click on terminal. Now here I need to put some command which I'll give you on my video description. So first I will show you how to check the local IP, means private IP, which you are using on your computers. For that you just need to type over there ipconfig. Then you have to type getif, then addr, then en0. Okay, and after that press enter and it will show your local IP. In my case it is 192.168.0.109. So now I will show you the public IP, means that you are connected with the internet. So for that you just need to put over there curl, then space ifconfig, then you have to put over there .me. Okay, and press enter and it will show your public IP over there. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will show you the graphical GUI mode, means graphical user interface mode, how to check your IP. For that you just need to click on this network or Wi-Fi icon over there. Click on network preferences. Now here I need to click on advanced and go to the TCP IP, and here it will show your IP address, IPv4 address.